I see you wherever I go, and you don't even know.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jamie and thanks so much for stopping by. My husband is in the background eating some pancakes. I'm like, I can't look at what you're doing when I'm supposed to be focusing on the camera. Today we are going to do an unboxing and a how-to on making mulled wine. I have actually been fascinated with doing this, but I thought it was like something that would take like days to do. So I actually found this set on Amazon for $35. So to me it is a little pricey, but I'm excited to try it with you guys. So it's called the Cooking Gift Set. It's a 9-piece gift set. Looks like this. And when you open it, it has all the dry ingredients that you would actually need. So dried orange slices, smell amazing. Star anise, dry star anise. I don't know how to pronounce this. So, then you have some cardamom pods.
Popular in Asian cooking.
If you guys hear somebody in the background, it's my husband eating his pancakes, also being my lighting person and my cameraman. Like, he just all in one today, so superhero to him. Cinnamon sticks, allspice berries. It also comes with a grater, which is actually pretty cool. And then it comes with whole cloves and some whole nutmeg. So it's actually supposed to be pretty simple to do. What you do is you get a saucepan, you put all the flavors that you're interested in. What we're gonna do today is the red mulled wine called the Festive Rose. Oh, it's semi-dry red wine, I like it. This is perfect for pairing for Merlot, Cab Sav, and Zinfandel. I think Zinfandel, that kind of seems a little more on the white side to me, but whatever. Right, so we're gonna do the Festive Red, which is a warm and rich malt recipe. It's for semi-dry red wine. Right, so what's in the Festive Red recipe is 1/4 cup brandy, 1/4 cup sugar, 6 allspice berries, 10 cloves, wow, 4 cinnamon sticks, 12 cardamom pods, and 4 stars that I cannot remember what this is pronounced or how to pronounce this. What you're supposed to do is you're supposed to put all of the items into the bag, because it comes with a bag, and then you put a whole bottle of wine in a saucepan on low for 20 minutes, and it malts the spices with the wine. After it's done, you take it off of heat and still the saucepan for 5 minutes, and then once you're done, you can actually serve, drink it, or you can keep it up to a week. Just keep in mind, don't go anything over 20 minutes because it starts to burn out the alcohol, and the whole point is to malt the wine, so you want to have the alcohol. So I'm ready to try this. I'm ready to blow this popsicle stand with you guys. All right, first and foremost, let's open this bottle of wine. Now they actually say you can choose any kind of wine that you have around the house. It doesn't have to be an expensive wine. You can go cheaper if you want. Sometimes cheaper is a little bit better, especially now with everything going on. I don't want to pay more if I don't have to. So we had this Robert Mondavi bottle of wine sitting around the house. So we're just gonna use that because that's all I have. All right, let's go to the stove. Okay, let's do it again. Let's go to the stove. Thank you, cameraman. All right. So we're gonna put it on this burner, and we're gonna put it on low. So we're gonna use this saucepan. What you want is it on low again. It's low for 20 minutes. So, I'm so excited. I've never done this before. Now I'm gonna go back over here and we're gonna do all the spices together. 1/4 cup brandy, 1/4 cup sugar. We chose the Paul Mason brandy. It was the only thing we had around the house too. So, might as well. Oh, it's got a little sweet to it. Maybe I should have done this all over here. It's fine. Boop, boop. All right, now we're gonna do the sugar. I should have done the sugar first. You know, no bad error. It doesn't say what kind of sugar, so I'm assuming it doesn't matter if some of you guys, maybe don't do sweet and low. Maybe that wouldn't be a good, that's a no bueno. Maybe not. My little sugar baby. I don't know why I'm holding it like this. I had a coffee today and it's kicking in and I'm feeling it. Now it doesn't say to stir it or anything in the directions. So maybe I'm just gonna stir it a little just to get the brandy and the sugar kind of mixed in with the wine. Again, it didn't tell me not to. All right. While this is starting to heat up, I'm going to do the spices now so I can put it in with the wine. This actually says that it does 6 bottles of wine. So all of these spices are good for up to 6 bottles. So I feel a little bit better about that now since, you know, this was like $35. I'm just saying. So this is all that it asked for. Man. And then what you do is you just go like this and then stick it into the pan. All right. Bombs away. Maybe I shouldn't have put the string in.
Yeah, hang the string up.
So the 20 minutes has ended. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna take the wine off of the heat. We're gonna move it to the other side, let it sit for 5 minutes, and then you can enjoy it. All right, so now we're gonna set the timer again for 5 minutes and then let it cool for a little bit and then we can taste it. And I'm telling you, the smell alone, it's been chilling for 5 minutes, so don't judge me. I don't got anything bigger to put the wine in, so I'm gonna put it in this and then I'm gonna put it in this so it's a little bit more classy. Again, don't judge me, okay? All right, so I'm still, you don't have to do this. There's nothing that says that you have to do this, but I kind of want to put that over there. Oh God. I can't ever do anything right. Before wine. We just gonna keep this in this course light because I can't afford to spill any more wine. So I did get a glass, and what I did is I decided to put a cinnamon stick in here as a garnish. So again, don't be judging me. Course lighting it all. Woo! I'm just playing with you guys. It's actually pretty strong, but it's actually really good. Oh yeah. Like I can taste the cinnamon is the number one, and then I can definitely smell and taste the cardamom pods. It's like crazy. I'm gonna let Reese try some now. Cameraman behind me.
It's mine now.
Hey, you can't steal my own wine on my own video.
You got some right there.
I am not. That's just, that ain't, no.
Take it to the head.
No, we're not doing this. I'll put it in this. Not a problem.
Usually not a fan of sweet, but it was pretty decent.
And here we go. Salud. Oh God, that tastes good.
Like I want to taste this cold, but yeah, let's throw that in the fridge. I want to taste this cold. We can see which one tastes better.
You guys, I love it. Like this is really great. I like how strong the spices come through. Like it almost to me in a weird way feels like when I drink a Dr. Pepper, like I have that like burnt sensation, but it feels good. Like this is what it's doing and I like it. I'm weird. I guess I'm just weird. But that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me today. If you're not already and you'd like to be, please subscribe to my channel. Also give this video a big thumbs up. Also make sure that you hit the notification so you know when I upload a new video. As always, you guys, I would highly recommend it. I love it. For $35, I will say it is a little expensive. But that is it. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.
You are the stranger